Hi, it's Steve and out here doing a little shooting. Anyway, now it's time to play with the 223 Wild. This is a 24-inch Anderson barrel. I'm shooting 75 grain hollow point boat tail hollow point. Factory reload from a company called Peak Performance, and it seems to shoot really good in this rifle and in my Mossberg MVP. I have a couple of ARs that it doesn't like at all. So we're shooting at, I'm going to be shooting at it like a little clay pigeon now, because I broke up a couple rocks and I'm running out of targets at a 300-yard range out here. And I set the yardage with the Sig Sauer Kilo 2200. And this time I got 11 rounds in a mag. So we're going to shoot 11 shots this time because I had usually bag up my ammo in bags of hundreds, and I had one left over from the last bag, so I'm going to use it in this one. Alright, so let's go see if we can get that clay pigeon. Now I ranged this earlier in another video, and that clay pigeon, because it's right next to a rock that I was shooting at with my Grendel, is about 310 yards out. Now I'm just going to adjust elevation, not through the turret, but Kentucky elevation, Kentucky windage. I'm sure most of you know what that means by just holdover, I think other people call it. So here we go. Now, I got another camera set up that zoomed in, so we'll be able to put the video together and so you can see the hits better. Alrighty, let's get on. Let's see. There we go. Got to set the parallax, otherwise known as the focus. But I call it focus a lot, even though it's technically a parallax. So at that distance with the Grendel, I had to go up, do a holdover or aim high by one line. So I'm going to start there with this one. I don't know how the trajectory is going to match, but we're going to find out here in a minute. I know that was close, so it might be a little bit flatter. So I'm going to come down just a touch, put the line at the bottom of the clay pigeon. Hard to tell. That bullet's so fast. So I'm just going to keep shooting. I mean, I know I'm right in that area, and I'll be able to adjust better or see exactly where I'm hitting when I watch the video. Okay, I think I was right in front of it. So you can see I got it knocked down. So it wasn't a hit, it just the debris from the dirt and stuff just knocked it over. I got a jam or something. Let's check it out. So we're gonna move it. Failure to feed. Okay. Back on target. Wind's getting a little gusty again. Okay, that time it was a good hit. Alright, I'm going to adjust the camera to a clay pigeon to the left of it, make sure I'm on target, then we'll be back and I'll edit all this boring stuff out. Okay, I readjusted onto clay pigeon up there, and you'll see when I get this put back together. Alrighty, so let's go for another shot. Missed it a little bit. I think I was off to the left side, but I'm also moving around a little bit too. think that one dropped a little low. Again, I think a little left. The wind might be blowing me a touch left. So I'm going to try to the right just a touch. Again, I think that dropped a little low. Not sure, maybe a little right. We'll be able to see on the video. That one I think definitely went a little low. We got her. So I got another couple of shots in there, at least one, it looks like. It has like plastic bottles out there. I'm going to try to put one, but I'm going to have to readjust the camera. So, okay, readjusted the camera. It looks like some kind of plastic bottle out there. Got it zoomed in pretty good, so we'll be able to tell. Kind of looks like a Dr. Pepper bottle, but I'm not sure. Wind's blowing me around a little bit, not liking it. I missed it, and that was my last shot on this rifle. Alright, well, I missed that, but I think I came close. Sometimes you miss. Alright, well, thanks for watching.